also have equal temperature. In this way, the systems A, B, and C exist in thermal equilibrium state with each other. After learning to measure the physical quantities, temperature and heat, let us learn about the units used to express the measurement of these physical quantities. The SI unit of heat is joule, CGS unit is calorie, CAL. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, K. It is also expressed in degrees Celsius, C. The degree Celsius is converted to Kelvin by adding 273 to the value of temperature in degrees Celsius as per the relation 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. Temperature in Kelvin, K, is equal to 273 plus temperature in Celsius. Until now, we learned about temperature using larger bodies. Let us learn about temperature at molecular level through activities. The following table shows the differences between heat and temperature. Knowledge check. Attempt the following question to check your understanding. Take 2 bowls, one filled with hot water and the other with cold water. Gently sprinkle some food color in both the bowls. Observe the motion of small grains of food color. We notice that the grains of food color exhibit jiggling movement, that is, they move randomly. This is the result of the random motion of the molecules of water in both the bowls. We also observe that the grains of food color have more jiggling movement in hot water than those in cold water. We know that every moving body has some kinetic energy. As the particles, that is, the grains of food color in both the bowls move with different speed, are said to have different kinetic energies. Finally, we can conclude that the molecules or particles of the hotter body have comparatively larger average kinetic energy than the colder body. In this way, the average kinetic energy of molecules of a body is indicated by the temperature of that body. In other words, the average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Let us do another activity to learn more about the relationship between temperature and kinetic energy. Take a jar half filled with water and heat it to 60 degrees Celsius. Take a cylindrical glass jar which is transparent and fill half of it with hot water. Now pour some coconut oil over the surface of the water very gently, such that the water and oil do not mix. Close the jar with a lid containing 2 holes. Take 2 thermometers and insert them into the jar through the holes in the lid. Put the thermometers in such a way that bulb of one of the thermometer is inside the water and the other touches only the coconut oil. Now, note the readings of both the thermometers. The mercury level in the thermometer kept in water falls, while the reading of the thermometer kept in oil increases. It is because the average kinetic energy of the molecules of oil increases, while the average kinetic energy of the molecules of water decreases. In other words, the temperature of oil increases while the temperature of water decreases. Some heat energy flows from water to oil. As a result, the kinetic energy of the water molecules drops and the kinetic energy of the oil molecules increases. In this way, water loses energy while oil gains energy due to the temperature difference between them. From the activities 2, 3 and 4, we learn the following differences about heat and temperature. Heat is the energy that flows and temperature is the quantity which decides the direction in which heat energy flows. After learning this, let us now learn how these quantities are associated with a system through the concept of specific heat. Knowledge check. Attempt the following question to check your understanding.
डाउट्स में अटकते, सब्जेक्ट्स में लटकते, कब तक हम रहेंगे सर पटकते.
State with each other. After learning to measure the physical quantities, temperature and heat, let us learn about the units used to express the measurement of these physical quantities. The SI unit of heat is joule, CGS unit is calorie, CAL. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, K. It is also expressed in degree Celsius, C. The degree Celsius is converted to Kelvin by adding 273 to the value of temperature in degree Celsius as per the relation